But she always wakes up when she hits the floor. And then she looks at me and goes, "What are you doing?" I go, "Baby, you're snoring." She goes, "No, I'm not. I'm wide awake." "Well, now you are. A second ago, you were sucking paintings off the wall." And then has the audacity to look me in the eye and say, "Maybe it was you snoring. You just woke yourself up." Yeah, let's go with that, psycho, because that makes so much more sense. But not that night, gang. I slept the whole night. Got up next morning, breakfast was outside the door.